let's say we have 25 divided by 75, and we want the answer in a percentage. How do we do that? Well, what do we have to do first?
Divide 25 by 75.
We got to change it to a decimal, right? So what's 25 divided by 75?
1.3.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
What is it?
1/3.
0.3 repeating, right?
Repeated.
Now the next step is we have to change our answer into a percentage because we calculated a decimal. So what does this change to?
0.33, 3 repeating.
Close.
3.3 repeated.
Oh, I'm sorry, yeah.
Move the decimal 2 places to the right. Put the bar notation over the 3 to say that it's a repeating decimal. If this said 10 times 5%, how do we solve that? Let me ask you a question before we go any further. Can I use this 5 to calculate the answer?
No.
No, why not? Because a percent represents a proportion, not an actual number.
Okay.
Right? When you get a test grade, it's not telling you what value you got. It said you got 75% of the test correct. All right, so what do we have to do? We got 2 options. Yeah, I can change it to a decimal. The easiest way is to go like this. 10 times 0.05. Isn't that 5%? And what are we going to get? That's our answer, right? Is there another way we could have done it? Fractions. Can we say this is 10 over 1 times, this is 5 over 100?
15.
Right, now go back to our multiplication of fractions. We got 10 here, we got 10 here. Well, 10 goes into 100. This is going to equal to what, 5 over 10?
1/2.
It's 1/2 or 0.5. Either answer is accurate.
So what does that have to do with the first one? Are these 2 different things you were doing?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. President.
Okay. What if this was changed to a division? How would that change things?
Keep. Change.
Hold on, Dave. Keep that thought and don't change it. Let's say we got 15 divided by 3%. What should we do? Same thing, there's 2 ways we can handle this, right? We can't use the percentage, so we got to change it to 15 divided by 0.03, right? Somebody quickly calculate that. No, 15 divided by 0.03.
500.
500. All right. Now, can we do it using fractions?
Yeah.
All right, here's what we could do, right? This is decimal. Here's the fraction way of doing it. We're going to take 15 over 1 divided by 3 over 100. Now what do we do? David.
Change.
Keep.
Change and flip.
Keep. Change. And then we're going to flip this. Is there any cross canceling we could do?
15 and 3.
Yeah, 15 and 3, right? 3 goes into 15 about 5 times. 3 goes into 3 once. This equals 5 times 100 is 500 over 1, which equals 500. I think this one was a little quicker than this. Make sense?
It makes sense, but I feel like you're going over really, really fast.
Oh, I am? All right.
I mean, you know it, so it's pretty quick for you to just, for you to have to know.
Well, I drank a lot of coffee, so I'm sort of getting off that caffeine buzz.
She started to drink coffee too.
She's drinking beer, that's why she's going slower, look. Looks like it. Now I gotta check.
I don't know how to.
That's Spanish.
You Italians will understand.
Yeah, you know, because I know it's
It's an energy drink.
It's like,
Oh, is it?
I don't know, yeah, it's,
Okay. Is it giving you a lot of energy?
it doesn't give.
It has a lot
Yeah, I was
of,
gonna say, you don't look like a ball of fire right now,
it has a lot of sugar.
but. Oh, sugar. All right, everybody good on this concept here? No. All right, let's try another one. Let's say. We got, let's see, 23 divided by, pick a number. 4%. All right, doing this as a decimal, what will we do? All right, 23 divided by 0.04. Very good.
It's 575.
All right, how about the other way? What do we have to do here?
23 over 1
All right, 23 over 1.
divided by
Is it always going to be over 1?
Yeah, any whole number is always over 1. And what are we going to put here for our second term?
4 over 100.
4 over 100. All right,
Change, flip,
keep,
change,
change, flip.
flip.
Oh, this is that.
Geez, did you hear this somewhere before, Mo? You know, like KFC, but only different, KCF? All right, so it's unfortunate this isn't 24, because it would have been a little easier. So this is going to be, what, 2,300 divided by 4?
575.
575.
You're good.
Who's got it? Selena, all right.
You go, girl.
You could cancel, Professor, right?
Can't.
4 and 100.
No, you can't cancel that way.
But I didn't
Cross
get the
cancel.
same number though.
Yeah, it will, but I don't want anything, I want everybody to cancel diagonally. What you did was you simplified the fraction before you multiplied.
Yeah.
It does work, but traditionally when we're multiplying a fraction, it's on the diagonals for the canceling. All right. Are we good or do we need another one? How many people say we're good? How many people say we need another one? All right. Multiply or divide?
Divide.
Divide. Everybody likes division.
No.